Hi, my name is Ranjan Mujumdar. In my previous tutorials, I explained the functionality of all operators. Frankly speaking, I forgot to explain the functionality of one operator. This operator is usually used in JavaScript programming. Can anybody tell what is the name of this operator? Don't say that it is a TP equals to operator. There is a specific name of this operator. The name of this operator is strict equality comparison operator. Now let us try to explain the functionality of this operator using an example. You can see this is the last programming I wrote. Now I am writing a programming where a comma b, a equals to 5 and b equals to 5 within single quotation. Can anybody tell what is the difference between these two statements? Okay, I am explaining. We all know that JavaScript is a loosely typed language. It is not a strongly typed language. High-level language like C, C++, Java are strongly typed language. Why? Because in high-level language, we use a specific data type for a specific type. That means we use integer, int data type, int keyword for integer, float, single, double keyword for decimal values, char for character. That means for all types of data, we use a specific data type. But in JavaScript, we use single keyword, that is var. You can see in line number 15, 5 is written as number. In line number 16, 5 is written within quotation marks. That means 5 is written as text. In case of JavaScript, equals to operator does not have power to distinguish between the type of these two variables. Here you can see the type of A is number and type of B is text or character. So equals to operator does not have power to distinguish between the type of this variable. Then what will be the output of this statement? I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Click the button. You can see true is the output. That means in case of JavaScript, equals to operator thinks these two values is same, but not the type. Here you can see type is not the same. That is the reason JavaScript introduced an operator that is strict equality comparison operator. In case of equals to operator, it compares the values of two variables, not the type. But in case of strict equality comparison operator, it compares the values of two variables as well as type. So now I am typing the statement A, strict equality comparison operator B. Now what will be the output and what is the functionality of this operator? The functionality of this operator is it compares the values of two variables as well as type. Here you can see the type of this variable is number and the type of this variable B is character. So it will show false as output. Here this two value is same but type is different. That is the reason this statement will show false as output. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Click the button. You can see false as output. So I think you have understood the functionality of equals to operator and the functionality of strict equality comparison operator. In case of equals to operator, it compares the values of two variables. But in case of strict equality comparison operator, it compares the value of two variables as well as type.